Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Electro-Magnetic Boltsplitter in Crimson Desert. Now my current location right now is pretty much literally straight to the east of the Tashkalp town. As you can see right here, I'm on the time-worn ruins. Now these ruins are pretty much just a base camp for enemy bandits and also including this one here on the ruins excavation. So you might want to prepare yourself for the battle ahead for you to get the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter. Now one of the first things that you're going to need for you to get that weapon is the Shield Bash skill right here, where you basically just slam an enemy with the use of your shield. And there's an additional effect of you shield bashing your enemies in that when an enemy just struck you, you can immediately follow it up with a shield bash to make them lose grip of their weapons, including the weapon that we are looking for. Now, however, for the person that does have the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter, they don't actually attack you with their melee weapon. But there is another tactic that you can do. Now, one of them here has the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter, so let me show you how this works. Wait for them to get near you, and make sure you're locked onto the one holding the Boltsplitter. Let's say come over here, and then lock onto him. Now try to wait for somebody else to do a melee attack, and then do the shield bash on him. As you can see right there, he dropped the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter. Now just let your dog do the work to pick it up. Wait for somebody else to do a melee attack. Come on. As you can see right there, he also dropped the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter. Alright, now if you are wondering about the stats on the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter, it pretty much has a durability of 15, an attack of 25, and unfortunately just a critical rate of 0, and it does lightning damage. And I would like to advise you that this is a temporary weapon, as you can see from the durability, so do try to use this as sparingly as possible and only use it on enemies that you're struggling with. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Electromagnetic Boltsplitter in Crimson Desert.